Hi, it's Barb from the Deception Bay Neighbourhood Centre. Today's recipe we're going to be making some tuna patties. Okay, for the tuna patties I'm going to be using a large tin of tuna, so about a 425 gram tin of tuna. You can use salmon, so you can swap either or, whatever your family prefers. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of cold mashed potato, and then we're going to roll it into breadcrumb mixture. So we will need some flour, egg which is beaten, and some breadcrumbs. To start, we just grab the tuna or the salmon. You can make salmon patties the same way. So I've just drained the oil or the water out of the tuna, and 1 cup of cold mashed potato. So we just mix that up. To get the 1 cup, I just mashed up 1 medium-sized potato. Put a bit of salt in to boost the flavour. We just roll it into balls, dip it in breadcrumbs, flour, egg and then breadcrumbs, and then fry it off in a bit of oil. So to roll them into patties, just grab a handful of mixture, however big you want, and then just shape them into the patty. Okay, so I have rolled them all into patties. Now we're up to the egg and breadcrumbing. Okay. To do that, as a standard, we put the plain flour first, and then the egg, which I've just beaten up, and the breadcrumbs. Okay, so best way to egg and breadcrumb is to have a wet hand and a dry hand. Okay, so first of all, grab your first patty, roll it in the flour, shake off the excess, and then pop it into the egg, roll it in the egg, cover it all, and then into the breadcrumbs. So you're using your 2 hands, that way you don't get all gunky. And then we have our patty. So we do that with all of them, heat up the oil, and then we'll fry them off. So we just need enough oil to cover the bottom of the pan and up a little bit. Way to test the temperature of the oil is just to drop a bit of the breadcrumbs in, and if it sizzles like that, we're ready to go. So very gently and carefully, just pop them in to the oil. You'll probably need a couple of minutes each side to brown them off, and then they're right to go. There we are, we just let that cook away for a couple of minutes. So we'll wait a couple of minutes, now flip them over, and then cook them for a few minutes on the other side, and then they're right to serve. So they've been cooking away, so we just take them out of the oil and pop them on some paper to let them absorb some of that excess oil. We definitely don't want to be eating. And there we have some tuna patties ready to go.